Next topic, World Bank. Next topic, the World Bank. The World Bank. The World Bank and the International Monetary Fund referred to as a Bretton Woods twins. Bretton Woods twins in 1945. So, the two banks, one is the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund is merged on this 1945. So the Bretton Woods twins, that means the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank. The both established in 1945 after the Bretton Woods Conference. The Bretton Woods Conference in 1944, Washington in the USA. Washington in the USA. They have the same membership. Since the country cannot be members of the bank without being of the members of fund. Mainly for this, they have a same membership. Since a country could not be a members of the bank without being member of fund. So mainly the need the members. The two main organs of the World Bank and the International Bank. The World Bank and the International Bank is called a the main is a World Bank and or the International Bank or Reconstruction and Development, IBRD. The two main organs, one of the World Bank or the International Bank or Reconstruction of Development and the International Development Agencies. Second one is International Development Agency. This one is the International Bank Reconstructions Development. The main organs, the responsibility of the IBRD with the initial years was to find in the reconstructions of the European countries, mainly for their reconstructions. The lot of affected in this the World War II, so Asia gave the some fund and the reconstructions. The response reconstructions activities under the Marshall Plans, in the European countries, the devastated in the war. The agenda, the latter is expanded to promise economic development in the poorest countries. Next one is the IBRD. First one is reconstructions of the affected the war areas. After the helping for the poorest countries, and the bank lent monies to the various countries to development of the project. So give the some amount is a development of the various project. Another one is a further areas of interest of poverty alleviations, especially in the rural areas of the developing countries. Mainly for the poverty alleviations, especially in the rural areas of the developing countries. Mainly for the rural areas of the developing countries. Another one is the International Development Agency, IDR, also lend the monies to the government and develop the activities. And then the World Bank, these loans are soft loans. Is given the soft loans and they are given a very low interest rate for the period of 50 years. So after the World Bank given the interest of the very low interest, the given the period of 15 years, and IFC, that means IFC means the international financial corporations, mainly the functions with the private enterprises and developing countries. Private enterprises and developing countries. In the recent years, the World Bank is actively the promoting the achievements of the Millennium Development the goal. So the mainly for the recent years, the bank is actively the promoting the achievements of the Millennium Development of the goals, which aim of the improving the living standard. Mainly the World Bank aim of living standard, removing the illiteracy, empowering women and improving the improving the maternal and child health, the improving the environmental and eroding these AIDS, eroding the AIDS. So mainly for the World Bank's IB or the construction of this reconstruction of the European countries, and give for the some amounts for the poorest peoples for low interest of the given the loans in the 15 years. After is developing the millenniums, they achieve this the millenniums. In other than is the developed mainly goal of the improving the living standard, removing illiteracy, empowering of the women, the improving the maternal child health, the improving the environmentals and eroding the AIDS. Thank you.